What's up guys, today I'm coming at you with a video all the way from Ace Cafe Orlando. Today is the Guardian Wraps meet. So I brought my car over here, even though it's probably the ugliest car at the meet, but not for long, because Guardian Wraps is a company who's actually going to be wrapping my car very soon. It's kind of cool that everybody gets to see the car how it looks now, that way they can see how it looks like after it gets wrapped. Here we have a couple of the lineup. We got a couple of right-hand drive cars. Supposedly this is a right-hand drive GTR. So this will be an actual Skyline Tuesday. Check it out. Cool 370C, carbon fiber hood. Over here we have the Skyline. This car has a chameleon vinyl wrap. I'm surprised Adam's 350C is not here. It's like 350C takeover kind of thing. It's like 30,000 350Cs at the meet. We have the spool bus. Then we have John's black NSX. It's actually really clean. 350C. We got one MK4 Supra. 2JC baby. And this is a really clean HR DQ35. Check this out. Nice. You don't see many cars with a Cosworth intake manifold. That's saying something. It happened again. I tried to start the car this morning and it doesn't want to fire. I checked on the computer and I believe what's happening now is the same thing that happened to me at the track, where the crank pulley came loose again. That means I'm gonna have to remove the radiator again. I have to remove the oil catch can, serpentine belt, and water pump pulley to be able to take the crank pulley off again and verify what happened, which I'm suspecting that the crank pulley keyway broke again. Oh my god, I can't get enough of this car. So my crank pulley is all the way down there, so I have to get this off, radiator off, reservoir off, oil catch can, which is over here, the line off, and this is pretty easy to take off from here. And then we'll get to this. I'm gonna remove this first, and then let's see if the thing is loose or damaged or what happened now. This happened exactly as I suspected. Check this out. Yeah, you're not supposed to be able to do this. I want to loosen up the water pump pulley first. That way, once I take the belt off, it's already easy to remove the bolts and then not have to fight over it. So, loosen these up first. Then, now you will use an 8mm Allen and then put it on the tensioner here, push down, belt slides right out like that. Now I can remove the water pump pulley. After you remove the water pump pulley, it gets you access to remove the crank pulley with the reluctor wheel. So the reluctor wheel comes all the way out here, so it will hit the water pump pulley once you're taking it off. Now this is also loose by hand, so let me take this bolt off and then try to remove the pulley. Well guys, it happened exactly how I predicted it. Check this out. Broken keyway, and then it spawned the thing. The issue that this causes also, since this is my reluctor wheel, if this doesn't spin with the engine, then my timing is off. Guys, check out the big difference of what happened to the half moon woodruff. It's called a woodruff key. That's the name of it. So this is what it looks like, and this is what mine looked like. So this piece goes like this, and just like broke off. This part stayed on the pulley, and this part stayed on the crankshaft. Hopefully this one lasts longer, doesn't break off. Please last. I reinstalled the crank pulley. The bolt is torqued to 230 foot-pounds of torque. I also make sure to use Permatex red thread locker on this. The bolt is supposed to be torqued to 300 pounds, but there's no way I could do it at 300 pounds because one, I don't have a torque wrench that goes over 250 pounds. Even with my $600 snap-on wrench, only goes to 250. Also, I'll put the wrench all the way towards this, and it flexes all the way to the other side while holding the car in gear and holding the tires from spinning, and it could only get 230 foot-pounds out of that. Hopefully it works. I really don't want this thing to keep going bad again. It's so annoying. I just want to drive my car. Now I gotta put everything back together, and I gotta replace the water reservoir because it broke removing it. This little water fitting right here broke off, so thankfully I have another one with the fitting still on it, so I'll put this one on instead. And she lives now. Mission accomplished, guys. The car is fixed. Now I gotta see what came in the mail. Let's see, I got 2 boxes. Let's see what's in the small one first. All right. We got paper. Ooh. What's this? Alright, this is my fuel filter. This is I got my Ditchworks 110 millimeter fuel filter with 10 micron stainless steel mesh filter, which is the one that you need to run E85. Yes, I might be running E85 very soon, guys. Now for the other box, let's see what we got in here. Put this away. Put the heavy duty tape on this one. And more paper. I got a bunch of vibrant fittings that I will need for this upgrade. And then I got my new wastegate for the car. I ordered a Turbo Smart 45 millimeter wastegate with a 14 psi spring. Looks like I may finally have everything together for the fuel system upgrade. So let's see if tomorrow I can install all these parts. That's the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully tomorrow I can get this done and have another awesome video for you guys. See y'all later. Thank you for watching. Please smash that like button. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.